had just an hour or two left before it gets dark. So I'm back out there, fishing another spot that Daniel believes is a tarpon hunting ground. I just hope I'm lucky to land a fish before nightfall. These remote waters are highways for drug smugglers.